Howdy ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, I want to make this quick little video. I'm hanging up some of these brackets out here in the garage today to store like some shovels and pitchforks and stuff like that. And these things are going to hang on the wall like so. And then you should be able to get at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 yard implements on there, you know, like shovels and rakes and stuff like that. So I wanted to talk about just anytime you're mounting anything on a wall, you see the screws that it come with. I'm okay with these screws. I have some larger cabinet screws, but I think these will actually do just fine. But they are a wood type screw. And the important thing to do is to pre-drill, okay? I'm going to give you kind of a rule of thumb here to go by, depending on whatever size wood screws you're pre-drilling for, okay? If you can take a drill bit and lay it like on top of the, let's see if I can do this here. If you can lay the drill bit on top of the screw, and you can see the threads only of the screw sticking out, okay? You have picked the correct size drill bit, okay? You don't want it too small, you don't want it too big, or the screw won't bite. You want to be able to see the teeth of the wood screw sticking out a little bit on each side, okay? And no matter what size you're dealing with, pick the proper drill bit. Now we're going to go over here and drill these holes right quick, and then we'll show installing this bracket. Now guys, I'm going to take my cordless impact with a number 3 Phillips bit on there, and I'm going to go over there and I'm going to screw this bracket to the wall, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, hey, we're all done with that. Time to put a few implements up here. We'll stick a shovel up here. Sit him right on up there. We got a pitchfork here. We'll stick him up there. Yep, he'll fit there just fine. And we got a hoe. Let's go ahead and stick it up here too. Alright guys, so there you go. Let's see, let's turn him around this way. I think he'll fit better like that right there. Okay. So there you go, just a little hook to hang a few garden implements on a wall in your garage. Turns out good, but biggest thing I wanted you to learn in this video was to always pre-drill. If you look up here, well, if you can see where that bicycle hook is, okay, those are some really big hooks there. Let me show you the bit that I used. The bit I used on that, I don't even know what size this is. I just went through my drill bits till I found one that matched up. Just like I showed you before, laid the bit up against the bolt, and where I could look and see the teeth only of the bolt sticking through, and that's the size that you want to drill, okay? Friends, I hope you enjoyed this little video, little helpful hint. Keep you from splitting your lumber. If you ever install any wood screws into a stud or a rafter or anything like that, I mean a joist or a truss. But anyway, hopefully you got something out of this video. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell some friends about us. Bye-bye.